Hello, I know I am so very late for this project to be completed, but here I am, and I'm really sorry for being so late like this. So, to remind you of this frog, we already did the head, the body, and the legs, hands, his shell, her shell and her hat. Okay, so the last thing to do is the skirt, and at the body at round 12, at round 12 we worked at back loop only, so we can work now at front loop. So we will hold the body upside down and attach the white yarn at any stitch you like, and we will start with chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and we will make 2 DC at every stitch. So I will start my first here, so it will complete the chain 3 and the 1 DC. So another double crochet here, so we will increase with a double crochet in each stitch around, working at the front loop but when the body is upside down. Okay, after finishing the first round, we will slip stitch at the third chain of the beginning chains and chain 3, and for round 2 and round 3 we will make double crochet in each stitch around. So I will make these rounds off camera and get back to you soon. So after finishing the 2 rounds, we will slip stitch at the third chain for the beginning chains, chain 1 and fasten off. And here we completed our skirt. Then we will attach the legs here at the side. Here, just leaving a row, just leaving a round under the skirt. And the other leg. And weave these ends. Then we will attach the arms. and attaching the other arm here, just the first round of the green. And then we will make a couple of knots with this yarn tail of the two arms. Then the last thing to do is to attach the head to the body. After you make sure that the head is at the center, then start sewing. Then we will make a couple of knots to secure the yarn. And weave in this tail too, the last one here, and hiding this embroidery thread here too, using the same tail to weave in. And yes, we are done finally. And here is hair gel to dress it on like this. Yay, finally finished. So thank you for your patience and thank you for watching. And again, I am really sorry for being this late, and hope you can join us at our amigurumi workshop. The new one is about a bunny. I will teach you some tricks about amigurumi stitches. I will be so glad if you join us, and I promise I will continue posting the video because it's already filmed and ready to be posted, so I will not be late again. Okay, waiting for the pictures of your frog, and thank you again, and see you next time. Bye.